Hi again, this is Joanna. I'm going to be making a yogurt bark today. I have the Harmless Harvest yogurt today. This is plain unsweetened. And I'm on a low protein diet, so I'm using something called Peanot butter. It has come down $1 on Cambrick's website. This is not available to the public. You do have to have a prescription for it. But this is the size of the container I'm using. I need 2 of those. So it's about the size of a regular peanut butter jar, but for the entire thing. It does have to be mixed up, so it's kind of like a Skippy peanut butter, or Peter Pan actually, if you've had that before. Just dumping the rest of this one in, and see, if you don't have access to the peanut butter, or if you can't afford it, this is Trader Joe's Speculoos. It's a cookie butter, and that can be found over at Trader Joe's. Or you can use regular peanut butter also. This is 85 grams of the cacao. This I got over at Basics. If you do not have a Basics, you can use any cacao. It is listed as a superfood. For a dessert yogurt bark, this is pretty low in sugar and calories also. But so now I'm going to put it on the baking dish, and this will have to be spread out once you get it on there. And I'm just spreading this out. We're going to add all the toppings. This is where things get a little bit higher in sugars. The peanut butter surprisingly only has 2 grams of sugar. It is one of Cambrick's lower calorie items, serving 100 calories per serving, and it has about 2 grams of sugar. And the cacao doesn't have any added sugar. So if you don't add on the toppings, it can be a fairly healthy or dessert. And as I said before, you can do this as a breakfast also, but this one is more of a dessert because of the chocolate and peanut butter and all that that I've added in. So it really depends on what you add in, how healthy it's going to be. Okay, now that we have that on, I'm going to be adding on some bananas. So these I'm just going to scatter. And now we get to add in some raisins. This is where things get high in sugar. The raisins are pretty high in sugar. They have about 26 grams of sugar per serving. And 11 of that is added. These are sunmaid raisins. And this is about 210 grams. I probably will not use all of this, but last time I didn't put enough in, and so I'm kind of gauging there. And I think about 1 more should do it. Now all that's left is sticking it in the freezer, and you're going to stick it in the freezer for about 8 hours. Or you can just leave it overnight, or for the rest of your day if you're doing it as a dessert, like this one is. And please remember, like, subscribe, share if possible. And thank you for your time.